Well, I finished my newest project, Tinkerbell, in a brass cage I should say, hanging from a nice little lamppost. And at the base of the lamppost are jewels embedded in resin. Although you can't see it well in this light, the base also has different panoramic Disney scenes. Let's see. Can't really make it out because it's not, well, that's Cinderella. You can see if I zoom in a little bit. Anyway, so there are 5 different scenes. Ariel the Mermaid, Cinderella, Tangled, Peter Pan, who am I forgetting? Oh, Snow White. So anyway, I think it turned out really well. You can hang it either direction. I put a little mini hook on it, so you can hang it any direction you want, really. And the little battery base in the back, I embedded down into the, well, it comes out, but so you can replace the batteries. But I made a little pocket for it with the resin when I poured it with a little extra effort. I put a little silicone wedge in there and then wedged the wedge out. Now this will fit in just right. Nice and snug, easy to change the batteries. And this also, if I tilt it up, has a battery pack in the bottom, easily accessible. I'm pretty proud of it. I think it turned out well. Could probably make these and sell them, but Disney would probably sue me. Anyway. And Tinkerbell, she comes from the Infinity game. So, found a good use for a defunct game.